Hi, welcome to the Online Jewelry Academy. I'm Professor John R. and I'm your instructor. The Online Jewelry Academy has been invited by Durston Tools to try out and review some of their products. In this video, we'll be looking at the tabletop entry-level drawbench. A drawbench is commonly used to pull wire through a steel draw plate in order to reduce the thickness of the wire. Or you could use a draw plate to give a different profile to the wire. You can also draw a chain through a draw plate to adjust its shape or create surface facets. Anyone who's ever drawn wire by hand knows that it can be a nightmare. Your hands hurt from pulling the draw tongs, and if you don't have much upper body strength, your wire will have lots of chatter marks on it. I don't like drawing wire by hand, and as a studio instructor, I can tell you that most of my students dislike it too. And many of them don't have the upper body strength to draw wire on their own, so they ask me to do it, which only makes me hate it more. But Durston Tools has come up with a great, reasonably priced solution. This tabletop drawbench is equipped with a 4:1 ratio gearbox. The gearbox is sealed, so it never requires any lubrication. The heavy-duty strap connects to Durston's hefty draw tongs that will pull even heavy gauge wire through any draw plate that fits between these two brackets. Once you're finished with this 39-inch long tool that weighs 53 pounds, you can tuck it away in a corner or hang it on a wall. The way this works is easy. First, put on your safety glasses. Then, pull out the strap all the way so that you can connect it to the draw tongs. Then you take the draw tongs and grasp the pre-tipped end of the wire poking through your draw plate. The draw plate is positioned behind the two brackets at the far end of the drawbench. While holding the wire in place with the draw tongs, use the handle to drop any slack in the strap. Now you're ready to smoothly crank the handle until your wire exits the draw plate. Remember, your wire should be well annealed and lubricated, and you should only attempt to decrease any wire profile incrementally, which is why there's so many holes on the draw plate. The Durston drawbench can also be used to draw a chain. Loop a wire through the link at the end of your chain, then push the ends of the wire through the draw plate and pull the chain through as if you were drawing wire. In case you couldn't tell, I really like this tool. The 4:1 gearbox makes it easy to produce wire smoothly without any chatter marks. And I also really like the fact that this is a portable piece of equipment that won't occupy a large footprint in a small studio. This is one sturdy piece of equipment, like all Durston tools, that I'm sure I'll enjoy for many years to come. If you're interested in this drawbench and would like to support the Online Jewelry Academy, we have links for this drawbench in the description below. I hope you've enjoyed this video. Remember, the Online Jewelry Academy has over 300 free videos on its website at onlinejewelryacademy.com, and we have 3 paid courses on udemy.com. You can find links to discount codes in the description below. Thanks for watching.